Welcome to another drawing tutorial. I'm Junior and I would like to show you how to draw a realistic portrait of Rihanna step by step. So before starting, let's first talk a few things about Rihanna. Robin Rihanna Fenty, also known as Rihanna, is a 34 years old Barbadian singer, songwriter, actress, and business woman. She was born in St. Michael and raised in Bridgetown. Rihanna was discovered by American record producer Evan Rogers, who invited her to the United States to record demo tapes. Of course, that's all about Rihanna.
Draw eyes first. Draw the left eye. Then blend it. And after shade. Going to shade it. Then after we are going to blend. Shade. Blend it. Then draw the eye very well. Draw the right eye too. Shade it. Shade. And blend. Blend using a blending stamp. Add the eyelids on both eyes. Draw the nose. Shade it. Make it realistic. Blend using the cotton and shade the nose black. Blend it. Then you're going to draw the mouth. Draw the lips very well. Shade the upper lip. Shade it and blend. The mouth is becoming realistic. Yeah. Then add some shadows near the lips. Then you're going to draw the eyebrows shade them, then ears, blend, then draw the earring, then draw the other ear, that left ear is covered by the hair, that's why it is like a half. Going to draw the shadows on the face. After shading them, we are to blend using the blending stamp. Can also make your own blending stamp at home. You're going to use a piece of paper and blend it realistically. I'm going to draw the shadow, then blend, draw the neck and add some shadows on the neck. Make the shadow black, pure black, then blend. Then you are going to draw the hair, make sure that the hair resembles real hair. As you see, the hair is black throughout. So after drawing this front hair, I'm going to shade the hair black. Then we're going to start drawing the hair, shading, make sure that the hair is black. You can use an 8B to draw the black. I'm going to shade that here. Yeah. Then I'm going to shade the whole head black. You've got to make it too black using any pencil which has a smooth surface. Then we're going to blend it. Make the drawing very, very perfect. As you see, the drawing is ready. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment.
That's it for today's video. Hope you had fun watching this video and hopefully learned something about that. Of course, you can find us on other social media platforms like TikTok, Facebook, and Twitter. So let's meet in the next video. Bye bye.